Hello and welcome back viewers. My dear students, today in this lesson we are going to learn a very important thing, and that is how we can download and install this system to our MT4. Remember, this system is going to work on MT4. Now one question arises: if you are doing intraday trading like something on Coinbase, Binance or any of other crypto trading platform, how you will perform your trading on that, right? You can do the same process while taking a look upon your MT4 from here, and you can take up the trades, buy and sell trades simultaneously. This is really simple to the point. There is no big rocket science in that. Okay, well, what I normally do that I include MT4 for taking the entries and trade crypto trading on other platforms. Now, this MT4 cryptocurrency is always involving leverage. Okay, this broker is involving leverage. Well, on other Binance, something like that, okay, that is never going to involve leverage. That is non-leverage trading. Anyways, my dear students, we will see how we can get our this system to our MT4. This is really simple to the point, and this is a huge profitable strategy. Let's see that. First of all, my dear students, you will get these files from your downloadable resources. Okay, these are the two indicators files. You need to copy both of these two files, exe4 files, right? Just right click and copy them. Just copy these files and then go to MT4, then go to file, then go to open data folder, right? Then go to MKL4, then go to indicators. Let me repeat again: file, open data folder, then go to MKL4, then go to indicators, and then go to here and paste it here. Because I have already the files, so it is saying copy and replace, do not copy, or copy and keep both files. So I am not going to do anything, but you need to just paste these files here. Okay, then we will go back again, and now you need to copy up this TPL file, this one BTC. Just right click there, and you need to copy this file. Copy this file and again go back to your MT4, and now you need to go to file, open data folder, and then go to templates here, this one. So after going to templates, what you need to do, just right click and then click on paste. I have already this file here. Okay, so it will give me same process, it will give me same option, copy and replace. Okay, all you need to do, just paste your file here. Anyways, after that you need to restart your MT4. Now if you see from template section, if I'm gonna click here, so it will give me option like this. Let me open a new chart. So here I'm going to select BTC, and here I'm going to select this one. So there we go, I have got my desired template here. So this is the process how we can get our desired template and how we can install and download this system on our MT4. So this is the basic process, and this is really important to explain you guys everything about it. I hope you will understand it. Still, if you have any kind of question left, please let me know in the inbox, and it will be a pleasure for me to help you guys in this matter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.